2007 Mazda B4000 right side power window. Customer bought the vehicle used and there was no power window motor in it. So I've installed the power window motor inside the door and reconnected it. And when I operate the window up, it actually tries to go up. It's all the way to the top right now, but when I try to roll the window down, there's no action from it. From the right side switch and from the left side switch, it doesn't roll either direction. So looking at the electrical diagram here, this circuit here, right side power window switch, it uses an alternate power supply for the white-orange wire. So I suspect this gray-orange wire, this one here, on the way over to the driver's side door, is broken someplace. It's gray-orange there, gray-orange there. So that would make sense, because it tries to roll up from the passenger window switch but doesn't do anything from the driver's side. So I had a look inside the door pillar here, and you can see that it's very difficult to see in here with the boot in the way, but there are several broken wires here, and somebody has made a repair by twisting some wires together here. There's at least one broken wire in there and several other ones ready to fail. Now this harness can't be disconnected inside the body and pulled through because it goes into the cab harness. So I'm going to have to either take the door panel off. Probably take the door panel off is the best thing to do, because these wires are all cracked and broken, and as you can see, there's several of them ready to fail, and a couple have been repaired already, and there's that brown yellow wire broken off as I expected. Okay, so I got the door panel off this thing, speaker out, harness disconnected, pulled the harness through so that I can get enough wire here to do some repairs, and you can see there are several wires all breaking up just from age and flexing. I mean, the engineers know that they put a wire between a door and a panel and bend it several thousand times, it's going to fail. So thing is, we got to splice these wires and then push the splice inside the body and have the other end of the splice inside the door. Otherwise, any kind of repair where it bends will just fail again. And unfortunately, I can't pull this harness out from inside the cab. I followed it inside there, and it goes up behind the dash, and it would have been so much easier if I could have just pulled the harness out from inside the cab and then worked at it that way, but oh well.